Hi guys, welcome back to Aunt Bonnie Marie. I just wanted to give you guys a sneak peek on some tags that I've been making. Those first ones I was trying to draw some baskets. The second one I got them 3D printed by a friend. These right here I actually got shells and sand from the local disc golf park. Tried to make some waves. Just kind of messing around with colors and some of my new molds. I love how this one turned out. Now these are what I'm going for. They are ace zipper pulls, ace tags, whatever you want to call them. I just learned what an ace pin was. So I've got the nice ace here. Put the disc golf in the middle. I have spots on the back so you can write the park you were at, the hole, what disc you were throwing, and the dates. You can just kind of carve it in, put a little bit of Sharpie in there, and it'll be a permanent addition to your ace tag. This one's crooked, so is the purple one because my ace tag little image was a little bit too big for the actual mold. So I will have to print some smaller ones for those, but I absolutely love these. Make sure to follow me on Facebook. You'll get my updates on inventory. I am going to put these little jump rings on all of them. But here they are all together. I've been so excited about these. And yes, I have been making dog tags for a couple people. They have turned out wonderful. I just love using found items, but I'm trying to figure out how to make waves. We'll see how it goes. Thanks, guys. You have a good day.